Almost everybody has tight hips, back pain, sciatica pain, and we store a lot of trauma in our hips. This one you can do sitting down. I like to use a yoga block. You take the block here and you inhale, and as you exhale, you press down, and you can feel your back, especially if it's compressed, getting longer. So everything's connected to the back here. So you push this down. And then if you're ready to go further, you take a deep breath in through your nose, always start that, and you go on the exhale. And then if you get stuck, don't give up. You start breathing again, because breathing is one of the biggest parts of getting more flexible. So in through the nose and then out through the mouth. And you go down, and you can grab the chair if you want, and then come up. So you can start with those 3 exercises.
Those are great. Thank you very much. And obviously beneficial. People can do this at home. You don't need much more than, as you mentioned, your yoga block and a chair.
Yeah, you can create your own flexibility, Jim. I have the Stacy posture strap on because posture...
I do too. She gave me one.
Yeah.
It works great. I'm going to put up Stacy's information.
Yes.
If you're interested in getting and gaining more flexibility, it's really important. You can go to stacynemore.com. You can also go to flexibilitymakeover.com. Both of those websites will take you to her, and she will take you to new heights of flexibility. Thank you so much for coming on the program.
Thank you for having me. Thank you, everybody.